Mercat.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Oh. Kitty Fairy?
Yep, it's me. And I've got another big problem. I'm big!
Oh, I can see that. And it's not a problem. We can add some shrinking potion to the special bath I'm making for you. Follow me.
Ooh, that's a good-looking tubby time.
I've been whipping up this special potion bath to bring your wings back, Kitty Fairy.
Looks spectacular.
I just need one key ingredient. 3 fairy berries. Oh, polka shells. I'm all out.
Oh my! Fairy berries are super rare. I don't even have any in my garden right now.
Fairy berries? Where did we see fairy berries today? Oh! At the top of my crafty cotton candy tree in my bedroom. Look, there it is.
A crafty cotton candy tree!
Yep, that's my special surprise for you, Kitty Fairy. Now you have a fairy-rific place to hang with me in my room.
Oh! Thank you, Gabby. I love it.
Can we get back to the fairy berry issue at hand, please?
Oh, yes. We need those berries. I really wish I had my wings right now. I could fly out there and get those berries super fast.
Maybe some bouncing bubbles can help.
Oh, wow! It's a bubble bridge!
Awesome!
Thank you, Mercat. Mwah!
Off you go! You gotta move fast before those bubbles pop!
Huh? Mercat wasn't kidding about that popping thing. Jump! Yikes! Woo!
Phew!
Oh, we made it!
Let's go get those berries!
We need 3.
1,
2.
3! Ha-ha!
We
did it! We got all 3 fairy berries!
let's get these berries back to Mercat.
Woohoo!
Bubble-tastic!
I'll jump to that!
Let's go! Whoa! I'm feeling the groove this time!
Woohoo! Whee! Check me out!
Looking good, Katy Fairy. Woo!
Oh, you made it!
We sure did.
With 3 fairy berries!
Fantastic! Okay, Kitty Fairy, are you ready to get your wings back?
Mercat, I'm very ready.
Then hop in!
All right.
Okay, 1 drop of shrinking potion. And 1,
2.
3 fairy berries!
Oh! Woohoo! I'm flying! Fairy-tastic!
Fairy-tastic!
well,
Woohoo! I'm back! Look! Wings and all!
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah!